Wow, look what I found, guys. It's a pile of brown muddy toys. Wadidaw, so many kind of toys. Wee, let's check it out, guys. Wadidaw, so muddy, guys. Let's collect them, guys, and then we'll clean them up. Wow, so many kind of toys. Wow, lots of superhero toys. Wow, so cool, guys. Wow, they are all robot, guys. Rescue bot transformers. Alright, guys, let's go. Let's start cleaning. The first one, guys. Weedy, it's Blaze, the rescue bots, guys. Wow, so cool. What's the next robot, guys? Wow, Heatwave, guys. Rescue bots.
Appointed by Optimus Prime himself, Heatwave, the hot-headed leader of the rescue.
Wow, so cool. Wow, the next one, guys. Wadidaw, it's Chase, the rescue bots, guys.
Chase is so by the books, he could be mistaken for Elijah.
Wow, it's the police. Wee, another robot, guys. Wow, it's Bumblebee, guys. Wadidaw, so cool. Next, wow, it's a superhero. Wow, Spiderman, guys. Wow, he's swinging. Wee, it's a truck. Weedy, it's a cement mixer truck, guys. Wow, so cool. Next, wow, another truck. Wadidaw, we loaded the truck, guys. Wow, it's huge. Next, wow. Weedy, it's Bus Rogi, guys.
Sounds like a job for Rogi.
Rogi!
I am a really, really good singer, you know?
Wow, he's so funny. Wow, another truck. Weedy, we'll excavate a truck, guys. Wow, it's big. Next, wow. Weedy, it's James. Wow, it's real, guys. What's the next one? Weedy, Heatwave, Submarine mode, guys. Wow, so cool. Wow, it's another superhero. Wadidaw, it's Ultraman. Wow, cool transformation. Next, another superhero. Wadidaw, a very cool Batman. Wow, his swing is so incredible. The last one, guys. Wadidaw, the leader Optimus Prime. Wow, so cool. Alright guys, it's all clean now. Thanks for watching this video guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you on the next video. Bye.